Hello YouTube, I'm gonna show you today how to change a headlight switch on a 95 Dodge pickup truck 1500. I'm gonna start, it's easy. I'm gonna start to pull on the cover off here. You're gonna need a flat screwdriver to do this. And slightly disconnect that and you can move it all the way up. And you move it from here too. And it's supposed to pop up. There you go. This is kind of broken. You gotta be careful with this. Already broke, old truck. Then you move the ashtray. Suppose 2 screws holding the cover. Take them off. And then you move the whole thing outside like this. You just be careful. And you move the whole thing on the side. And here's the switch. Right here, that's the headlight switch. You got 2 screws, you need a Phillips screwdriver to pull them out. Actually, there's one more here. Screws. And you pull it outside. And then, I don't know if you can see it here, the switch is burnt. See that white spot? Yep. I'm sorry, I'm holding my phone. I'm just gonna pull the plug out. There you go, that's the problem. The connector is kinda burnt. And the switch also, if you can see, this is loose, broken here. Okay, I'm gonna put a new one and I'm gonna show you how to put it back on. Okay, once you take the old switch outside, as you can see, the whole thing outside, disconnected, and I'm gonna show you this is the new one, how the new one looks like. This is the new one. Okay, I'm gonna actually, to move this thing apart, if you look in the back here, there's a button here. You press it down to move the nub out. You're gonna press that and pull at the same time. You press this and move the nub. I already moved it, and it looks like this. And then go back to the old switch, and if you look here, there's 2 screws. You have to move them. I'll move them, and then once I remove the 3 screws, I pull this cover off on the side. Okay, and then with a pair of pliers, I need to make this cover off. And you turn this. Okay, to put it back on, you do the exact opposite. And here's the new one ready to go back on. Actually, in my case, I'm gonna change these two, so I'll show you when I finish removing all those wires. Show you to put it back on. Okay, I had the new one put in already. Put it back in. I changed here the old switch and I changed the connector as well, and I got it working. And I'm gonna put this plate back in there, and all set. Thank you for watching. Sorry about the quality of the video, but I promise to do better ones next time. See you later. Bye.